At thunderlaser, our R&D team is driven by innovation. We push the boundary to deliver cutting-edge technology, ensuring our machine meet the highest standard of engineering and performance.
精工制造，品质为先。我们从 IQC 开始严格把控每一个零部件的入库，从源头拦截风险。生产装备过程中，每一道工序经由组长进行 IPQC 管控，并融入防呆设计。最后，我们 QA 团队对整机进行全检，确保 thunderlaser 每台激光机符合国际标准，提供高性能、零缺陷的可靠产品。
Over the past decade, we've not only focused on creating high-quality and reliable laser systems, but also tested many different materials to make sure our lasers work well on all kinds of materials and applications. Our goal is to provide our customers with the best laser solutions so they can achieve amazing results and grow their businesses.
With a dedicated service team across the globe, we are ready to provide a professional service, so no matter where our customers are, we are always here for you.
At thunderlaser, we are all about empowering our customers to create, innovate, and succeed. Through innovation, dedication, and support, we are proud to be your reliable partner. We believe true brand strengths come from customer trust. Moving forward, we will continue to innovate and help more business achieve success and breakthrough.